YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 400 likes if you don't mind. Appreciate it. Thank you. You already see the title of the video, but before we get into that, I always throw that up in there. You'll see the title of the video just to add 3 more seconds onto my joint. But anyway, before we get into the vid, I got 2 pickups, 2 fragrance cops. Matter of fact, I've had for a minute, but I already told y'all in the last vid, well, under the weather, you know what I'm saying? So we ain't been like too much in front of the camera like that, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, boom, first pickup. These are both from Amazon, and they both come from the House of Armoth. Bam, this is my first joint right here. Shout out to my guys, Shy Sense and Fresco Sense. Make sure, yo, I'm telling you, check them out. If you got questions, they definitely got the answers. You know what I'm saying? This is the Club de Nuit Intense Limited Edition. I have the regular one, but I heard that it's that boy right here. So I'll probably go ahead and what is it called? Give that other one away. You know, hit somebody off with it. You know what I'm saying? Suppose we have to. But yeah, so I got this one, and I got it at a good price. I usually get all my joint, and damn, I'm loving check out the display. All that just for the chain thing to break. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, damn, check that out. All right. Wow. Okay. So yo, you know, playing J with this. This is a clone of Aventus from the House of Creed. I'm actually wearing that scent today. It was the only one I had in my bag, but let's see. Hell yeah, god dog. Smell the same, right? The Polo. No, man. Smells like it does give a Mont Explorer, but this is a little tougher right here. But yo, I'm loving this joint right here. Here we go. This is the limited edition one right here.
Mont Blanc.
Yeah, Mont Blanc Explorer. Yeah. And I've actually got a compliment with that.
Oh, check you out.
Top notes are apple, bergamot, blackcurrant, pineapple, and lemon. Middle notes, rose, birch, and jasmine. And finally, the base notes, musk, ambergris, patchouli, and vanilla. I'm probably gonna end up keeping this up in here. It comes with a wipey and everything, man. Yeah. But once it goes to DR, you know what I'm saying? Now I might get a vial for this, but yeah. So again, from the House of Armoth, this is Club de Nuit Intense Man, limited edition. Pause if you have to on the Intense Man, but all right, next up. Okay, boom. From Amazon, and like I said, from House of Armoth again. You know what I'm saying? I love these clones right here. They last long, brother. Please. Oh, I got the Milestone Club de Nuit. Yeah. They say this is the clone of Melissime, or Melissime, I don't know, Melissime, but you know, I'm all for it. Tell me what you think about this. Spraying so much all day, who knows? It's sweet. This is a unisex cologne right here. We'll talk about the notes. The top notes are C notes, fresh fruit, and bergamot. The middle notes are violet, white woods, and sandalwood. And finally, the base notes are musk, ambroxan, and vetiver. This is a fresh joint too, man. If you haven't gotten any of these clones from Club de Nuit, hey, jump on it. Pause if you have to, like for real. For about $38 to, let's say, $62, and I don't believe I paid over $62 for any of these frags from this house, and I'm loving them. You know, definitely. Gotta give a shout out to Shy Sense and Fresco Sense again for never steering me in the wrong direction. Put me on game, word. All right, and to finish this joint out, y'all already see, yes. I wasn't even gonna open this joint up because I didn't feel like it, but I was just gonna be like, yo, take it as is. But there was a restock, and shout out to V-Baby Sneaker Fiend. You know what I'm saying? We never hit on the restocks until we do. And by now, it's not even firework time in the
It's kind of every time finish Capito.
Hot hour? All right, so anyway, like I said, haven't hit on these until I did hit on them. Do I need them? Hell no, I don't need another pair. No, no sir. Boom, bam, ah. So these are size 10 I got from Foot Locker. Yeah, see, there you go, size 10. Don't need them. I'm letting them go for retail, paying it back. Now, if I have to ship, you will pay for shipping. And there is gonna be an extra something for me to stand off in that line. Is it gonna be something crazy? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just for my time. But yeah, now if you stay in the Bronx, we can definitely do a meetup. Pause if you have to. But you will seek out me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to Boston Post Road or nothing like that. But yeah, size 10, got the dunks, retail. That'll be it. Yeah, I definitely, there is no point having two of those pairs, but that's crazy. I guess it was in the cards for me to finally hit on that joint. But anyway, man, that being said, I do have a giveaway. I probably talked about that before. I got a giveaway coming up. Just gotta holler at my sponsors right quick. And after that, I'm gonna figure it out. But we're gonna do it different this time, but rules will be coming soon. What's coming up next? Let's see. I don't know, tomorrow's the day off. Well, after you see this, the day off will be done. Another Orchard Beach joint. My bad about well, I can't say my bad about nothing. The sun wasn't out, I don't know, I went out there. But, you know, Orchard Beach all summer. Oh, I got a trip coming up. Yeah, definitely got a trip coming up. So y'all gonna see that. Got another surprise. Shout out to another sponsor that's hollered at me. I really appreciate that. The red phone posits are dropping this weekend. I will get them as long as I'm not paying no up on them. As long as I can just walk up in the store, bam, we good. You know what I'm saying? That's how we're gonna do that. So hopefully it goes down like that. Let me know, y'all gonna cop them or what? Y'all ain't feeling that leather? Holla at me. But anyway, yo, shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
What happened?
That Snups.
Oh man, look at that. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh fuck no!
It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. I always like to say, see you when I see you.